Good morning from Bandra Talao. This is Raju, my friend, the amazing ear cleaner of Bandra Talao. A very humble guy. He's a Hindu, but he is a devotee of Haji Malang Baba, and he doesn't miss an opportunity to go there. He is an amazing guy, Raju. He's from Gulbarga, very close to Karnataka, and he's excellent at ear cleaning. This ear cleaning is actually removing wax from the ear, wax that gets accumulated because of bathing or whatever, I don't know. And I've been coming here since last couple of years. And the reason I came here was not for any other photo opportunity or anything. I am a street photographer. I just took a liking to videos, but the reason I come here is it's very important to know. And mostly I try not to talk in my videos. I don't have a very gifted voice, but I am the voice of the people I shoot. I come here because these guys have been cleaning ears, especially the two old guys, Qasim and Nabi. They have been they have been cleaning ears for last 40 years. Those days it was about 1 anna, 2 anna or whatever. But what has happened with the renovation of this place called Bandra Talao, they are going to be evicted. There is no way they can sit in this thing. It's like a public place. It's got a lake over here. The lake is in a bad shape, and they are going to be removed from here. And I started shooting them, thinking that okay, I'll talk about their eviction, which is imminent. It has to happen. There is no way about it. The grills are coming up, and where will they go? And they have been catering to taxi drivers, rickshaw drivers, and a lot of people come here. This ear cleaning is a very male thing. I don't think there are women who get the ear clean. आप एक बात बताइए, औरत लोग भी आके इधर आपसे कान साफ कराते हैं क्या? आते हैं ना. Okay, there are women also who come and get the ears clean. But कोई अच्छे घर की औरत तो नहीं आती होगी. आते हैं. अच्छा, there are women from good houses also who come and get the ears clean. But predominantly, it is basically all the men, especially guys, who are getting bored or who have some problem in the ear or whatever, I don't know. They come and sit here, they pay 20 bucks. Some people pay 10 rupees. If the day is bad, then this guy will do it for 5 bucks. Yeah, and now the same thing, he's just telling, the same thing he's telling me is that if you go to Bhava hospital, you have to pay a bomb to get your ears clean if they get, and then there are so many problems that take place with the ear getting, I don't know. I'm not an expert on all this. I'm just a photographer, as I told you. And this is the story of the ear cleaner. And this is Raju. I have known him for many years, much before I started shooting these videos. He used to come into my area. He was maybe about 22 years old or something. And he used to move around, Raju used to move to Badra Bazaar Road and I would see and shoot his pictures because, I cannot shoot landscapes. I cannot shoot chubby kids. I cannot shoot sunrise. I cannot shoot sunset. I shoot what God wants me to shoot. And these are God's lost tribe, This is God's lost tribe. These people like him, the beggars, the hijdas, these are people nobody thinks about. Why will they shoot them? And I don't do this for money. I already have my income through. I am a tailor, I make high-end. I stitch clothes for actors. I stitch clothes. I'm a tailor. I'm basically a darzi. But I like photography and I like to meet these kind of people. And I want you to know that see the work of his hands. These are craftsmen. You cannot call them designers or anything. I shoot barbers. Nobody. And when I say I shoot barbers, I don't shoot those, those massive scissor hands and all. I shoot barbers that are street barbers. And that's it. So, but now coming back to ear cleaners, I digress. Coming to ear cleaners, these guys' life is they are migrants. They've come back. They've come from the south of India, in a place called Gulbarga, Karnataka. And how much money do they make? There are days they don't get any work. They just sit here, looking at the pigeons. The pigeons are lucky because all the people from all communities, Hindus, Muslims, They come and feed the pigeon, but nobody will feed them. Nobody will feed beggars. Nobody will feed poor people. Why the fuck will they feed poor people? You know, I mean, nobody is interested in feeding fucking poor people. They feed all this birds. They'll feed stray dogs. They will feed stray cats. They will feed ants. They will feed crow. But nobody will ever feed a poor man on the street. This is India, man. This is India. We are the most hypocritical people, you know. We say we love something and we hate it like anything. I mean, I'm an Indian, I'm a thoroughbred Indian, but this is it. This is a fact of life. I told him, I said, if some other guy comes to take a video of yours, charge him. He doesn't take money from me, but I give him money. Even if he doesn't clean my ear, I give him $50 or whatever. And what I give him is not charity, mind you. It's not charity at all. It is gratitude. And it is their humility touching my own humility. I mean, today he was telling me, you know, that a lot of people come here and tell him that there are a lot of videos on the net, and they're all mine. Because I have shot them with a passion, and not for any ulterior motive. I have no agenda. I mean, I'm a holistic guy, you know. I mean, I'm a monk, I'm a semi-monk, I'm a Dammadar Malang, but I'm a Shia Muslim. And that doesn't matter what I am. Whether even if I was an atheist or a heretic or whatever I am, that doesn't matter at all. But I am human. I mean, God made me human, I have to be human. If I was not human, then what would I be? Now the two guys, Nabi Bhai and Qasim Bhai, have gone for prayers, Friday Jummah Namaz. And they will come back after and have lunch over here. And both those brothers, they have made a little small, they live in a shanty at Bandra East. And they are farmers. Can you believe that? They are farmers and the farm was not working. So what they did was, they took up this profession of ear cleaner. And how much do they get? Like I told you, it's $20. So even if 10 people come, they get $200. Today, the cost of living in Mumbai is really atrocious. I mean, everything is expensive. The dal is expensive. Pulses are expensive. Meat is out of the question, you know. So this is life in Mumbai, you know. And this narration that I'm giving you is for my friends on YouTube, you know. And I've deliberately locked up my comment box, you know. I don't want to answer crap. I don't want to answer crap. For what? I mean, you get pleasure of trolling me. For what? I mean, I am not making money on this. I don't want my videos to go viral. For what? But I want you to see my videos as a human being. I want you to feel their pain. I want you to feel these hands, these hands. These hands, I want you to feel them, the way they work. You mean a journalist is going to come and tell their story? Journalists don't come here. Journalists go lick ass of actors, lick ass of politicians, and they lick and you know, a journalist goes under the table to fucking, you know, to satisfy his editor. My care two fucks. I don't need that. Yeah. I'm a blogger, you know. I blog, and I moderate what I talk. I moderate what I shoot. I don't shoot something that will hurt your religion and hurt my religion. My religion is India. I don't know whether you're a Muslim or a Hindu. I care two shits about it. But I am an Indian. And that is what matters at the end of the day. You know, my religion is my country. If my religion was not my country, it would have been... I mean, I am lucky as a Muslim to be born in India. If I was born elsewhere, even if I was born in Pakistan, I think I would have been defeated. You know, I mean, that very idea. I mean, God was kind to me to allow me to be born in the womb of an Indian Muslim mother, a Shia mother. And this is Raju. Raju, कुछ बोलो यार, कुछ बात करो. क्या बोलो? कुछ इंग्लिश में बोलो. इंग्लिश आता है? नहीं आता. Nah, Raju does not know English. I told Raju to say a few words. कुछ बोलो, मैं translate करेगा. क्या कौन मदद करता? Nobody. He says nobody helps them. He says, I'm translating it for him. आपके बच्चे कितने हैं? 4 हैं. He's got 4 kids. आपका wife किधर है? इधर ही है. His wife is here. आप रहता किधर है? माहिम में रहते. He's taking Mahim. So this is life. And this is Raju, the ear cleaner of Bandra Talab. Thank you guys.